Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the Birdfy Pole. And this one is the pole bundle with camera.
It also comes without the camera. And Birdfy sent us this for us to check out.
All right, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Start your bird watching journey with Birdfy.
Okay, what do we have?
All right. Here's a quick start guide for the pole.
All right.
Accessory box.
Let's open that in a little bit. And what do we got here? Hold on. Another box over here.
There's the camera and solar panel.
Oh, the camera and solar panel.
Okay. Well, the whole pole is going to come out now.
Well, they got it really well packaged. Hold on. So this is the top. Look at that. It says Birdfy. So cute.
All right.
And then this is the thing that we really like.
We're super excited about this.
Because this is the thing that's supposed to keep the squirrels away.
We're hoping to
it's
keep
spring loaded. You see that? So it bounces on the thing. It's really kind of cool.
I can't wait to see that in action. Join the Birdfy community.
Oh, these arms, wow, they're bigger than I expected. They're really very big, yeah.
Well, they're going to hold a lot of weight, a lot of bird cameras and feeders. There's that.
Another one. So we got two of those arms.
All right. This looks dangerous.
Wow, look at that. Okay, so this is for in the ground, but nice is that they made it, it's sharp too.
It's
they
really
made it
sharp.
so you can screw it into the ground, and they have a place for how far in you got to go.
Yeah, it's designed so you don't have to use any tools.
And then there's a hole through here, so I bet you there's another post in here because we've got to pull this out.
Oh, yeah.
So let's take this down for a second here. Wow.
All right. Oh, it's heavy. It's not going anywhere.
Got it? All right, so let's see. What do we got here? So we got, this is E, and this is C, so they must go together some way. All right.
Ooh.
Nice and, you see they're nice and solid metal.
Very solid.
Anything else in here?
One big long pole.
So this is the long pole. Wow, look at that. It's nice and big. They have it all marked. I think what's nice, they have it all marked.
They have it all marked, so it's
size
going to
here
be easy to assemble.
and everything else. All right.
All right.
And what else do we got? Anything else? What's this?
Oh, those are the, is that a...
Oh, I think this is for, you put it through the post into the ground and you can turn it. I'll show that in a second. This is the anti-squirrel device. I cannot wait to use that. And these poles make it taller, right? And then this here, for this one here, you see it goes like this. Put this in the ground, then you can turn it. Give a nice post to turn it. It's really smart. So that's all we need for
to set up the
Birdfy pole. And again, it's spring loaded.
So this is great because you can set up some different bird feeders. You can set up separate cameras, and then you can watch a whole bunch of birds come to your yard.
Okay, so there's accessory boxes. Let's see what's in here. Okay, what are these?
Oh, these are the hooks, so you can hook on your feeders or your cameras.
Okay, and these are the wing nuts to put it together. It's all nicely bagged, by the way.
Very nicely packaged here.
And there's more of those hooky things.
Yep.
And some end caps so you don't poke yourself on these edges here.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, so that's that. And then the camera.
All right, here. This is the camera and solar panel, so you can get the pole alone or with a camera included. So you can get started right away. It's got a user manual, quick start guide. It's got a solar panel that it comes with.
That's nice.
Really nice.
All right, and it's USB-C, so that's good.
And then it's just a simple camera that you can hook it up. And there's
and even an antenna spot here. Did they give an antenna?
An antenna right here.
Oh, so you can put the antenna on here, which gives it more range.
Yeah.
So this is a Wi-Fi camera, correct?
Yeah, this Wi-Fi camera.
That's pretty cool. So there you go.
All right.
And so you got the camera, and then what else you got in here?
We've got some mounting
brackets for hooking it up.
And a cord to charge it.
And the
from
cord
the
charge
solar
again,
panel.
USB-C.
Yeah.
Okay, so we decided to put the pole together, even though we're not going to be able to install it till later this spring. But it was pretty easy. So you can see the bottom pole, that's the one you screw into the ground. I screwed it in just part way. And there's a little line on the bottom there that tells you how far you're supposed to put it. And then all the things just kind of get put together. Just follow the directions exactly. There's actually this little collar like this. There's one inside here. You can't see it here, but this is the squirrel baffle. Check this out. Is that cool or what? So when you put it all together, they're all labeled A, B, C, D, E, and all that. And you just kind of follow along, get it assembled. And then there's these collars that you can attach things to. So for example, we put one collar up here on the short pole, even though the directions show putting both collars on the short pole. The picture on the box actually shows this collar down here. And we like this because if we want to add some accessories or move the solar panel, for example, down to here, we can. So you hook it up, you mount these things here. We haven't plugged in the camera, obviously, but there's the camera and the solar panel's hooked up. And then these are kind of cool because this is where you hang your stuff. And you can adjust them. You can move it around, no problem. And they just tighten back down again. So I noticed there's a lot of birds in the yard waiting for us to install the bird feeders. Thank you for watching.